Today we're doing something really fun in this video. I am going to be showing y'all how to make your own toner, which is one ingredient which I am holding in my hand. It's an aloe leaf, and as you can see, half of the aloe leaf is missing. It's because I've already been using it, and so you must prep first. And I really love aloe leaves. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna talk to y'all so we can work, you know, multitask. I really love this toner specifically because I find it to be very moisturizing. If you have acne prone skin, or you got little bumps on your face that no matter what you do just doesn't seem to go away, this is what you need right here. Just an aloe leaf, y'all. I know, nature is so amazing. So what I'm doing right now is I'm cutting the sharp ridges off the aloe leaf. I did wash my aloe leaf before I use it, y'all. Wash your produce, please. No judgment, I'm just saying, wash your produce. So wash your aloe leaf before you get to this step. And I'm just cutting off all the parts of the aloe leaf that doesn't have any juiciness in it. And I have a little bowl over here. I have all my stuff set up already. I have my strainer, but I won't be using the strainer today because, at least not yet, because I have to soak the aloe leaf for at least an hour. So hopefully the stuff's not done by then. So what I'm gonna do is, I've already peeled off all the rigid ends. I cut the aloe leaf in about an inch long sections. This one's bigger, but that is okay. I'm just gonna throw it in the bowl. So I cut into about an inch. You see that? It's an inch, about an inch long, inch and a half, and then slice it in half. Put it in a bowl. And I'll rinse my hands afterwards because it may make me itch, which is exactly why I'm soaking it in water before proceeding any further. Soak your aloe leaf in water, y'all. It will get rid of that chemical compound that the aloe leaf naturally has that makes your skin itch when you use it, because plants like to protect themselves. They naturally understand that we must protect ourselves. We have boundaries. If you don't, every creature in Lord knows where would be using this plant. And I have spring water right here. I'm just gonna put it in the bowl until it covers, like just until it covers. I'm just gonna turn it around, whichever one that's on top, that the juicy white part is facing up, I'm gonna place face down into the bowl just so it's in the water. This toner can also be used as a hair spritz to moisturize your hair. I use it as a facial toner. I use a hair spritz. I use it as also like a primer for my makeup, especially when I keep it in this like thick form, gel form. I just put it on. This is the aloe vera leaf, washed, cut, and soaking in clean spring water. This water, I'm not gonna throw out this water. What I'm gonna do with this water after it's done soaking is I'm actually going to water my plants with this water. Put some water in there, spring water, and I'm just gonna rinse it off because even though it has been soaking for hours, it's been soaking in that water that still has that chemical compound that the aloe vera leaf produces to protect itself. And I do not want any itchiness to occur. Aloe gel is great for treating cuts, scrapes, sunburn, burning itchy skin. It's really good for things like that. on my skin, I get little tiny bumps sometimes if I eat too much peanuts or peanut butter. And I find that if I just use my aloe vera gel every day, I don't experience that. I stopped using the aloe vera gel for like a little bit over a week, and those little bumps, some little bumps came back. So this is all via experience. I've been using aloe vera on my skin since 2016-ish, I would say. So that's the aloe meat. You see there's already liquid in there. You don't need any water. Do not add water to this. You don't need it. There is some white meat in there. This is why you gotta strain it. The flesh that you see will end up on your skin, and you'll have to like flick it off or in your hair, and we don't want that. So we're gonna strain. As y'all can see, this is not a clear liquid. It's like, it is white, but it is creamy. It has a slight tinge and color to it. You'll see that? Pretty, huh? So my containers, bring them out. Let's start with the small one first. The small one's gonna go into my bathroom. The big one I'm gonna place in the fridge. I find that I can keep this for 2 weeks straight without it going bad. Even if I don't add like vitamin E oil to preserve it. So my aloe vera toner, bottle 1 done. And now let's strain for bottle 2. This is gonna go in my plants. And add it to the water that's going to my plant. And it's gonna be fertilizer from my plants. Strain the rest of this. If you have a smaller strainer, you can use that. You just wanna make sure it's the spaces between the holes, it's a fine strainer, not those ones with the big holes. Because aloe vera flesh would just go straight through. Second container. And this is why I'm using this little glass container, because it has a spout and I can just easily pour it into my container. Go ahead and buy yourself some aloe vera leaves. Buy yourself an aloe vera plant, even better, or 10. If you can find the organic ones, that is much better. But if you can't, you can always buy the big leaves in the store. I'm gonna demonstrate a little bit. So you see how it comes out, the little sprout? I will rub it in my hand and then pat it on my face, my neck, my shoulder area. I can even go down my arms. For now, I'm just gonna use it, put it on my hand and on my arms. Now we have aloe vera toner. And now you can have smooth, supple, nice skin, because, you know, beauty is in the eye of the beholder and it's from the inside out. But who says the outside can't look good while the inside looks good, you know? So I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you all next time. Toodles.